Ndewo, aha m bụ Ijeọma, na-ewetara gị nkụzi Igbo. Daalụ for joining us for today. Today we are doing okay, what can you do? Gini bụ mom? Gini bụ mom? Okay, nne. Nne. Gini bụ dad? Gini bụ dad? Gini bụ dad? Gini bụ sibling? Gini bụ sibling? Nwanne. Nwanne. Gini bụ sister? Gini bụ sister? Nwanne, nta, ọkpara, nwanne. Nwanne. Brother. Gini bụ brother? Nwanne. Brother is also nwanne. Nwanne can be brother. Hello, Igbo. Gini bụ hello? Is it Ibolaji? Hello is English. Gini bụ thank you? Thanks. Daalụ, ya, Bolaji, Ọdị. Daalụ is daalụ. Good morning, Igbo. People, good morning, Igbo. Bolaji, well done. Good morning, Bolaji. Good night. Gini bụ good night? I'm sharing the proper one, let's be sure. How are you? Why do you ask how are you? Please, how are you? Where are you from? Ask, where are you from? Where are you from? When you're there, when you're there. I'm from Nigeria. I am from Nigeria. Which one is I am from Nigeria? Is it Mbụ onye Nigeria? Anyị bụ ndị Nigeria. M na-aga Nigeria. Or Nigeria is the right answer. Which of this is not part of Igbo culture? Which of this is not a part of Igbo culture? Respect is not. So you're looking for the negative. So three of them are part of Igbo culture. One is not. Names that have no meaning is not part of the culture. Are you hungry? How do you ask that? Are you not sure. You can't do Agụụ ọ na-agụ gị? Agụụ na-agụ m. What does that mean? Agụụ na-agụ m. So let's say ask somebody, agụụ ọ na-agụ gị? Agụụ na-agụ m. I am hungry. I want to eat egusi soup. I want to eat egusi I am thirsty. How do you say I am thirsty? Is it agonago? Is it usakanago? I am thirsty. Mmiri na-agụ m. Kedu ihe anyị ga-eri? What does that mean? Anyị is we. Kedu ihe is what? Kedu ihe anyị ga-eri? Again, if you don't know the answers, just kind of work it out, eliminate the ones that are not right. Okay. What shall we eat? How do you say that in Igbo? What shall we eat? Shall we eat? What shall we eat? for today's class. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay, Ngwajisini Kena Igbo. Oh, and remember, if you want to join us in the boot camp, you're welcome. Go to igbostudy.com and check out the group coaching option. Kodi O, Jisi.